Hey there! Today I wanted to show you one of my all-time favorite hacks to save the planet from single-use plastic. This is the bamboo utensil kit. I paid $8, yep, breaking the bank, to have this, and I am now confident that every time I go out to eat or drink, I never have to take a plastic straw because I get this beautiful bamboo straw that's reusable, and it even comes with a straw cleaner, so you can clean the straw out. I use that a lot after smoothies. And it comes with a fork, knife, spoon, spoon not pictured, and chopsticks. So this is a zero waste living hack. It was seriously $8, and I bet if you're my friend, you got one for a stocking stuffer or a birthday gift because they're so handy. I just roll it up and I stick it. It fits in my fanny pack, so I can just stick it anywhere, in your backpack, in your purse, and it's compact and it's saving the planet one use at a time. I never have to use a plastic fork again when I go out for to-go. I can just say keep the plastic, and then I know that I have my needs met.